वेलकम टू द स्किल सेट स्कूल, दैट वन स्कूल यू नेवर न्यू यू एक्चुअली नीडेड। यानी कि एक ऐसा स्कूल जिसकी ज़रूरत हो हम सबको थी, या फिर ये कहूँ कि है भी, पर कभी पता ही नहीं था कि जाना है। पर मैं ऐसा कह क्यों रही हूँ? Why am I saying that Skillset School is that one school that you cannot actually miss to afford? Because researchers actually say that by the end of 2020-30, more than 85 million of jobs will go unfilled just because of the lack of relevant skills. इतना ही नहीं, freshers as well as experienced people feel like while changing their jobs or while joining a new job, they feel like they're not prepared for the job, and that is again just because of the lack of relevant skills. पर ये relevant skills actually है क्या? ये skills पढ़नी कहाँ से है, कितने टाइप्स की होती है, क्या क्या हो सकती है? इन सब की अवेयरनेस के लिए I decided to start a channel where we will be talking to experts and coaches in that particular skill. Let's say for example मैं बोलूँ confidence. Do you even know that confidence is a skill and not talent? Confidence is something that can be developed. In fact, confidence के बहुत सारे types है. Have you ever heard of learning confidence? यानी कि एक ऐसा confidence जिसमें you admit कि हाँ आपको वो चीज़ नहीं आती है, but you have the confidence to learn it. Whereas something called decision making confidence, where you actually have the confidence to make a decision. एंड लास्ट एक और टाइप का कॉन्फिडेंस होता है जिसे कहते हैं कम बैक कॉन्फिडेंस. मैं मानती हूँ कि कुछ चीज़ें ना लोगों में एक्चुअली इनबिल्ट होती है, बट सब वो लेके पैदा तो नहीं होते ना, फॉर श्योर दैट आर एक्चुअली नर्चर्ड एंड डेवलप्ड. जैसे कि कम बैक कॉन्फिडेंस. लेट्स से किसी के पास कुछ स्टार्ट करने का कॉन्फिडेंस तो है, बट वॉट अबाउट वो बंदा उसमें फेल हो जाए एंड दैट पर्सन इज नॉट एबल टू कम बैक. लेकिन उसे कम बैक कॉन्फिडेंस के बारे में पता ही नहीं है. यही नहीं पता उसे कि कम बैक कॉन्फिडेंस भी एक स्किल है जो डेवलप करी जा सकती है. डू यू इवन नो व्हाट वाज दैट वन थिंग दैट मेड मी हु आई एम टुडे? हाउ आई वाज एबल टू मेक 50K a month? That one thing was skills. And honestly telling it to you, initially I didn't get 50K a month. I actually started with 25K a month, but I almost doubled my income within a year. Now how was that possible? Because initially जब मैंने start किया था, when I was making around 25K, that time I was just learning about the skills. That was communication skills. I was just learning about it. I tried, implemented it, and within almost that 1 year, I actually mastered that skill. I was doing excel in that skill, and that was the reason I was able to double my income, which came up to 50K. And now it's of course more than that. But have you ever heard of that dialogue जो आमिर खान अपनी 3 Idiots वाली मूवी में बोलता है कि काबिलियत के पीछे मत भागो, काबिल बनो. So that is the thing. And वहाँ पे काबिल बनना refers to knowledge and the skills that you gain. Automatically you will gain success. अब इतना सारा एग्जाम्पल मैंने क्यों दिया? बिकॉज आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेल इट टू यू दैट इट्स ऑल अबाउट द स्किल्स. अ डिग्री कैन एक्चुअली मेक यू sit in an interview, but how much will you be paid for that? That again matters on your skills. What skills do you have? And honestly, I was just not making this salary, or I was just not having this job. I also had the ability to crack quarterly bonuses and annual bonuses because I was stuck on that particular skill. I tried to learn more and more new skills. I didn't stop, and that was just like as a cherry on the cake. So I feel like कि जो चीज़ें मुझे नहीं मिली या मुझे ग्रास्प करने में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग गया, I want to give it to you with all my open heart. And I believe this skill set school will be that one-stop destination for you people, where all the skills will be in actually within your reach on one particular channel. And ऐसा नहीं है that we are going to talk to just one expert or one coach in that particular field. We will be talking to a lot of people in the same expertise. Let's say marketing, there are so many marketing coaches, there are so many business coaches. Let's say manifestation, let's talk about life skills and all of that. But then again, whosoever your vibe matches with, and you feel like you want to take personal consultations or you want to opt for the course, you can do that. The only motto that I have with this YouTube channel is just to make you aware about the thing, क्योंकि पता ही नहीं होंगी ना जब तक चीज़ें, तब तक actually पढ़ ही नहीं पाओगे, उसको सीख ही नहीं पाओगे. So that's it for the video. Do not forget to join the community, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.